Oh wow. Basically, I've been procrastinating so much that I managed to postpone the recording of this video until it's actually raining and there is thunderstorms. Beautiful. I really tried. Okay, I'll go to another place. The reason I haven't been uploading for a while wasn't because I was tired or busy, actually neither of those things. My external drive with all the information from summer holidays or A-levels or 2 years of Cambridge died with all my videos in it, and I was trying to desperately restore it. Thankfully, because of the company that I'm currently at, there is a supercomputer and I was able to restore kind of the videos, so I'd say that now I'm finally able to start properly uploading, and I know I've been saying that for a while, but like I'm giving myself the last chance to catch up with the vlogs.
It is 12th of June. Just listen to my voice. I can't talk. And it's Funday today. There'll be ice cream. And guess who won't have ice cream? Me.
This year I haven't been filming much and people are like, why? Well, you see, life at Cambridge, even with fun activities happening, can become such a routine that you won't notice anything new happening. So just to let you compare, this is a fun day from 1 month ago. Same obstacle course, same bouncy castle, but we did get this new slide that was impossible to ride because it was burning your butt. On the first Sunday after exams, there are so many activities to do, not only in your own college. For example, cardboard boat race, which anyone in Cambridge can join. People make boats using only cardboard and duct tape, and then have a race. But you'll be lucky if you manage to stay afloat for at least a couple of minutes. It happens in a park called Jesus Green on the River Cam. So the city council knows about it, and then they have special people coming with boats to take wet cardboard, which is pretty heavy, out of the water.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, the picture. Oh, it's got a parrot. Look, Eric, that one's got a parrot. Is that like a...
How are they bouncing? I don't understand.
Okay.
It was raining like this, and the little boat started sinking straight away. But yeah, it's pretty much the same every year.
Ben Jones's construction, and then what?
Oh, Jeremy Corbyn!
Bringing his